फ्रेंड्स, आज हम क्वांटिटेटिव मेथड टू ईयर 2019-20 रेगुलर बेस शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाले। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पीयर स्ट्रेटेजीज। सो यहाँ पे आपको पॉइंट वाइज लिखना है। पीयर स्ट्रेटेजी प्रोवाइड ए कंप्लीट डेफिनेशंस ऑफ हाउ ए प्लेयर विल प्ले द गेम। द नेक्स्ट वन, इट डिटरमाइंस द मूव और ए स्ट्रेटेजी ऑफ ए प्लेयर will make for any situation that can be faced. So particular course of actions that are selected by a player is called pure strategies, and each player knows in advance of all strategy, out of which he always select only one particular strategy regardless of the other player's strategies. And objective of player is to maximize gain and minimize loss. Question number 1b, what do you mean by 2% zero sum game? So when there are two competitors playing a game, it is called 2% game. So point number 2, zero sum means the algebraic sum of gain or losses of all the player is 0. So in case of two sum game with two players are called 2% zero sum game. In this particular game, in it loss or gain of one player exactly equal to the gain or loss of other players. The next is question number 1c. If lambda equals to 10 customer per hours and nu equals to 15 customer per hours, then probability that the system facility is ideal. So यहाँ पे हमको पहले कैलकुलेट करना है यूटिलाइजेशन फैक्टर्स, दैट इज रॉ इक्वल्स टू लैम्डा बाय न्यू, दैट मीन्स 10 डिवाइड बाय 15, दैट इक्वल्स टू 0.67. द नेक्स्ट हमको कैलकुलेट करना है द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द सिस्टम और सर्विस फैसिलिटी इज आइडियल, सो दैट इज नोन एज P0. सो फॉर्मूला फॉर P0 इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस रॉ, दैट मीन्स 1 माइनस 0.67 इक्वल्स टू 0.33. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1d, डिफाइन ट्रैफिक इंटेंसिटीज. सो ट्रैफिक इंटेंसिटी को यूटिलाइजेशन फैक्टर भी बोला जाता है और यूटिलाइजेशन फैक्टर डिनोटेड एज रॉ. सो इट शोज द परसेंटेज ऑफ टाइम सर्वर इज बिजी एंड इट इज एक्सप्रेस एज द रेशियो ऑफ अराइवल रेट टू द सर्विस रेट. सो ट्रैफिक इंटेंसिटी का फॉर्मूला है रॉ इक्वल्स टू लैम्डा बाय न्यू. सो यहाँ पे लैम्डा हो गया आपका, that is rate of arrival, and mu stand for rate of service. The next question number 1e, write the Candela notations on Q theories. So Candela notation equals to capital A slash capital B slash small c slash k slash m slash Z. सो ये हो गया हमारा कैंडेला नोटेशंस. सो वेयर A स्टैंड फॉर अराइवल प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस, B स्टैंड फॉर सर्विस प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस, C स्टैंड फॉर नंबर ऑफ सर्वर्स, देन K स्टैंड फॉर मैक्सिमम क्यू साइज, M स्टैंड फॉर कस्टमर पॉपुलेशंस, Z स्टैंड फॉर टाइप्स ऑफ क्यू डिसिप्लिन्स. Next questions 1f. What is simulations? So as I told, जैसे हमको पता है simulation is a imitations और replication of a process or systems. अगर point number 1 देखोगे, simulations is the process of designing a model of real systems and conducting experiment with this model for the purpose of either of understanding the behavior of the system or of evaluating the various strategy for the operation of the system. So basic simulation includes structures, functions, data generated and its proper use. Point number 3, simulation may be performed through solving a set of equations which may be a mathematical models. The next one is constructing a physical models or application area that is known as games such as war games or computer graphics models such as animations. Question number 1g, Define payoff matrix. So payoff matrix is a tool. It is used to simplify all the possible outcomes of strategic decisions. It is visual representation of all the possible strategies and all the possible outcomes. Point number 2. The payoff matrix is the way to express the result of players' choice in the games. So ये typical example है payoff matrix का. And these are the strategy. A1, A2, A3 are the strategy of player A. B1, B2, B3 are the strategy of player B. And these are the different payoff matrix with reference to player A and player B. The next is question number 1H. Write the two application of Markov analysis. Point number 1. Markov analysis provide information on the probabilities of customers switching from one brand to one or more other brand. Second application है Markov analysis is a method used to forecast the value of a variables whose predicted value is influenced by its current state. The next is third applications. Markov analysis is often used for predicting behaviors and decisions within the large group of peoples. Then question number I, define bulking. So it is used in case of queue theories. If the customer decides not to enter the queue since it is too long, has no time to wait, no space to stand, it is called bulking. Next questions, question number 1J. What do you mean by queue disciplines? So queue discipline मतलब होता है it specify the manner in which customers from the queue or equivalently the manner in which they are selected for service. When a queue has been formed, the most common disciplines are first come first serve or first in first out. Second one is last come first serve, and the last one is service in random orders. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channels. Thank you.